Assalamu friends, today I'm going to do unboxing of Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra, which I got from Noon Super Mall, and I got this within 1 hour, which is really nice. So let me just quickly show you. I also ordered a screen protector because I just wanted to protect my watch from getting scratches. I know it's a sapphire glass, but still we're gonna protect it with the screen protector. So let me just quickly show you. The color that I got here is titanium silver, and here is our Galaxy Watch Ultra screen protector. So yeah, I'm really excited about the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. I've made a lot of videos about the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra copies and clones, so we are going to be comparing it with them as well, so stay tuned for that. And here is the box. Let me just quickly take it out from this plastic, and here is our watch. As you can see, titanium silver is the color, and let me just quickly peel this sticker, and here, as you can see, so yeah, the packaging is really nice. And let me just quickly take out the watch. Here is our watch, and here is our strap. So yeah, there is nothing else inside the box. Actually, there is one more package which I'm gonna quickly show you. So let me just quickly take out the watch first. Oops, I thought I'm gonna drop it, but let's see. Here is our watch, and looks really nice, really premium. And there's nothing else inside the box. So there is another package for the charging dock. I believe this is the charging dock. Let me just quickly take it out. So we got a magnetic charging dock, which looks really nice as well. So yeah, let me just quickly take this out. Come on now. So yeah guys, as I recently switched from my iPhone 14 Pro Max to the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, and that's the reason I purchased the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra as well. So yeah, we're gonna see how it performs in terms of day-to-day usage compared to the Apple Watch Ultra. So yeah, here is our strap, and the strap quality is also really nice. Here, as you can see, the color looks like it's like a grayish tone to it. It has a grayish tone to it. It's not pure black. So here, as you can see, I really like this titanium silver, honestly guys, because I was gonna buy the orange one, but in my opinion this one looks much more premium compared to that version. So let me just quickly turn this on. And here, as you can see, there is a power button on top, action button, and we have another dedicated button. Here is on the back we have different sensor like heart rate sensor, and ECG is not working unfortunately in my country. So ECG and blood pressure sensor, which is quite disappointing in my opinion. So anyways, so yeah guys, it comes with the 1.5 inches Super AMOLED display, and it comes with Exynos processor with 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage. You can also set up your eSIM in this watch, so which is really nice. So let me just quickly put the screen protector on before using the watch. So here we got our screen protector. So let me just quickly take this out. And let's turn off the watch so I can see if there is any dust particle. If there are any dust particles on the watch, you can easily see if the screen is turned off. So let me just quickly use the wet wipe first, and then we are going to use the dry one. So clean it. Here is our dry one, and use this a little bit. So I'm not seeing any dust particles as of now. So let's put our screen protector. Let me just make sure there are no dust particles. So here is our screen protector, and it's very easy to install. You don't need to align it, because it comes with this mechanism, which is very easy to install. Here, as you can see, just put it on the top and press on the in the middle. Here, as you can see. So now we're gonna remove this and see how it looks like. Let me just quickly make sure. Let's take it out, and here, as you can see, the screen protector is installed, and it looks really awesome in my opinion. And there is a little bit of bubble on the bottom, but it's gonna disappear after some time. So yeah, a perfect fit, as you can see, and very easy to install. So now you don't have to worry about scratches on your screen. So yeah guys, I 100% recommend you to get a screen protector for your Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra, because you can easily change the screen protector if it gets scratched. So yeah, I 100% recommend you to put a screen protector. And here is our watch guys. Here is the interface after setting it up. It's really fast, and I'm gonna do a full review later on, so stay tuned for that. So yeah, overall this watch looks really amazing and it performs really well. And let me know in the comments down below if you like Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra more compared to the Apple Watch Ultra. And I'm sure most of people will say the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra looks beautiful compared to the Apple Watch Ultra, because it has a round dial. Mostly people prefer round dial compared to the square one. So yeah, and you can easily put the strap on guys. It's very easy to change the straps as well, and you can get third-party straps from AliExpress as well. So yeah, the design looks amazing, and watch size is also very nice. So you can also install different watch faces, which I'm going to show you later on. So I'm going to do a full review and show you all of its features, so stay tuned for that. And I'm going to be comparing it with the clone watches as well. And sorry guys, I wasn't uploading any videos lately because I was very sick, and alhamdulillah now I am feeling much better, and I will be uploading more videos. So I'm gonna be doing a video of MSI Claw 8 AI Plus benchmarking some games, so stay tuned for that. And if you like this video guys, leave a comment down below. Thanks a lot for watching my video guys. I will see you guys in the next one. Allah Hafiz.